Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Deshmukh. I am a funnel designer and funnel strategist. So in this particular video, I am just going to share you how we can design the stunning images for funnels when we are designing our funnels. So let's get started. Just click on the plugin, then search for the Unsplash plugin and search images for the business person. So I want the person who is facing towards the left side. So I am just taking this particular example. Now the next step is just right click on that particular image, click on the plugins and click on the remove BG to remove the background of that particular image. Now this is our image. Then the next step is just go into the shapes. Next step is just go into the shape and choose a rectangle shape. So this is one rectangle we are choosing to design this type of image. Then just change the background of that particular image. Okay, so if you want to go for the linear background, you can choose the linear background also. And just increase the opacity here. Change for the two colors. Okay. So according to you can change the direction of that particular gradient. It will be more visual, this gradient will be. So what I am currently doing, I am just using the pen tool to make this type of shape, this type of rectangle. I am just using the pen tool. I am just double clicking on that particular image. Now, so you can make this type of rectangle. Just make this type of rectangle. Now the next step is just pick this image and drop here on that particular rectangle. So when we are applying the concept of masking, we have to take care of that. Whatever the shape we are choosing, we have to just send that particular shape to the background. Now what I am doing, I am just selecting sorry, send to back. Okay, now what I am doing, I am just selecting this particular image and this particular shape and image. I am selecting both and copying it and pasting it. Now you can see here particularly this left side. So these are two sets currently we are having. This particular image 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 1, image 2. Okay, so these are two sets. Now I am just hiding second set. So this set particularly I am hiding and I am locking that particular set. I want to apply the masking effect on this particular image. So I am just selecting both image and rectangle and applying masking effect on that. Now you can see that this is the masking effect we have applied. Now what I want, I just want to hide this particular group. This is one mask group. Let me hide this one. This is this particular mask group we have just created. Now I want to hide this particular mask group and open this particular image. Now I have to use the pen tool to make that type of shape. So I am just using the pen tool and clicking on the done, and according to your just click on the fill. Now send this particular vector to the background. Now the next step is just select this particular image and the vector. Both the things you have to select. both the things you have to select, this particular image and that. Now apply the masking effect on that. Now you can see here, you currently you are having the two mask groups. This is the first one mask group, this is the first mask group 1. Let me rename this. This is the mask group 1 and this is the mask group 2. Okay, these are the two mask groups we have created. Now these both mask groups are visible now. Now let me show this particular rectangle here, and this is I'm just unlocking this particular rectangle. Now I want to add some effect on that on this that particular rectangle. So I'm just adding the drop shadow effect. Let me take it 7 by 7 and let me increase the blur value to the 50 or 100. Now what I am doing, I am just increasing the opacity. It is changing the, I want to apply this particular effect on the rectangle. So I am just choosing the rectangle, just click on the effects, go on the drop shadow, set whatever values you want to put there, increase the blur value. I am just putting not a blur value, I am just putting this to the 10, and so this supported for rectangle, sleeves, frames and components. So this is not applied, spread value is not applied to the to the this different things. So you can see here, so this particular background we have created, if we want to change the values to the just change the values to 50, and this one also 50. So you can see here, we have created this beautiful image for our funnel. Now just make into the one group. Before that, if we want to more in depth into this particular image, what you can do, you can design in this way also. So just go into the fill, select linear colors and apply the both linear colors on that. So according to your color palette, if you want to go for the different colors, then you can go for those colors also. I just want to go with these colors only, so I am using these things. Then I want to apply the effects on this. So what I am doing, I am just setting this particular thing to, and then so you can see here, there is a slight there is a slight shadow behind that particular rectangle, but it is giving the more depth to, in that particular designing. So whatever the text you want to put there, you can just put that type of text. And let me change the color of this also, the first one. If we are going for this particular color, then it is creating another effect. Now you can see here, so this is creating another effect. Just copy properties and paste properties here. So you can do Control plus Shift plus V to copy and pasting that particular properties. So if you want to add some type of text here, so you can do those things. So I'm just sharing some example. For example, so you can see here, now we have just created an amazing good looking um, image for our funnel. So you can just click on the group selection and you can make one group and just export this particular group. Just click on the export and you can check the preview here. So you can use this type of amazing designs in the funnel when you are creating the funnel. When you are now, the one quick tip for you, if you are working on a funnel designing, if this particular person is directing to the left side, then you have to put your text on the left side, this side only. So you have to put your text in this side. Okay, so this is the quick tip for designing. Guys, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about the funnel designing stuff, or how you can build the different strategies to grow and get more leads and more conversions for your business.